This is an emergency broadcast issued by the Department of Public Security. Please pay attention to the screen. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. On the past few days, there has been an alarming rate of infections around the country. We strongly advise you to stay in home and use protection when going out. We are currently trying to research this virus. Everything is under control. Avoid going out unless necessary, and stay alert on any updates on this situation. Please, don't turn off this channel. The broadcasting will resume normally. This is an emergency broadcast issued by the Department of Public Security. Please pay attention to the screen. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. After researching, we found that the virus is really lethal and dangerous. It spreads through human contact. Avoid any contact with the infected. Symptoms of the infection are as follows: high body temperature, foam coming from mouth, sluggish movements, skin turning pale, stench of decay, eyes turning red. If any of your inhabitants in your home possess these symptoms, call 874 Viral Infection Treatment Corp. Lock the infected and quarantine yourselves and wait for our security team to come. Stay safe and be alert on any updates. Your broadcast will resume normally. This is an emergency broadcast issued by the Department of Public Security. Please pay attention to the screen. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. One of our research sites has had a breach on the infected individuals. Please do prepare yourselves for an outbreak. We are trying to fight the infected. This has been an error on our behalf. We would like to apologize. We are dispatching the army to eradicate the infected. In the meantime, barricade your house and arm yourselves. Hide in the basement until help arrives. All programs has been suspended until further notice. Stay safe and stay alert. For more information, this is the end. The infected has won. This warning will be played every one day. To any survivors out there, all law has been lifted. Do what you have to do.